What if I told you that just $100 a month, the cost of a few takeout meals, a streaming subscription, or a pair of sneakers, could completely transform your financial future? Most people hear $100 a month and think, that's nothing. That won't make a difference. But today, I'm going to show you the exact numbers, and by the end of this video, you're going to wish you had started yesterday. We're talking about what really happens when you consistently save $100 every single month for 10 years. The results are going to surprise you. So stay with me because this might be the most important financial video you watch this year. The basic math. Let's start with the simple version: no investing, no interest, just raw saving. $100 a month times 12 months equals $1,200 a year. $1,200 times 10 years equals $12,000. Now, $12,000 is not a small number. That's a down payment on a car, an emergency fund that covers 6+ months of expenses, a trip around the world, or the seed money to start a small business. But here's where it gets really interesting. Because if you just save that money in a regular savings account, you're actually leaving a lot of money on the table. Let me show you what happens when you put that $100 to work. The power of compound interest. Now let's talk about the magic that turns $12,000 into something much, much bigger. It's called compound interest, and Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he said it or not, the math proves it. Here's what $100 a month looks like in a high-yield savings account at around 4–5% annual interest. After 5 years, right arrow, approximately $6,600. After 10 years, right arrow, approximately $14,700. That's already $2,700 more than just stuffing it under your mattress, doing nothing but sitting in an account. But now let's talk about what happens if you invest it. In the stock market, the S&P 500 has historically averaged about 10% annual returns over the long term. At 10% annual return, $100 a month over 10 years becomes approximately $20,484. You put in $12,000. The market handed you an extra $8,484, almost for free, and if you stretch it to 20 years. That $100 a month grows to over $75,000, $30 years, over $226,000. This is why financial experts say it's not about how much you invest, it's about how long you invest. Time is the real currency here. Where to put your $100 a month? So now the question is, where should your $100 actually go? Here are the best options, from safest to most growth-focused. 1. High-yield savings account, best for emergency funds and short-term goals. Low risk, easy access. Aim for 4–5% APY. 2. Index funds/ETFs, low fees, diversified, and historically strong returns. Great for long-term wealth building. Think S&P 500 index funds. 3. Roth IRA. If you're in the US, a Roth IRA lets your money grow tax-free. $100 a month fits perfectly within the annual contribution limits. This is one of the most powerful wealth tools available to everyday people. 4. 401k, especially with employer match. If your employer matches contributions, that's free money. Always take the full match before anything else. The key takeaway: start somewhere. A good plan you start today beats a perfect plan you never start. Hey, quick pause right here. If this video is giving you real value, do me a favor and smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this message. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a video. I drop new financial tips every week that can help you build real wealth, step by step. All right, now back to the good stuff, because it's about to get even better. The mindset shift, why most people never start. Here's the honest truth, and I say this with love. Most people know they should save. Most people want to save. But most people don't because of 3 mental traps. Trap 1, I'll start when I earn more. The problem, lifestyle inflation is real. When you earn more, you spend more. The habit has to come first, the amount comes later. Start with $100, scale up as you grow. Trap 2, it's not enough to make a difference. We just proved that wrong with the math. $100 a month for 10 years at 10% return equals $20,000+. That is absolutely a difference. Trap 3, I'll miss the money too much. This is where automation saves you. Set up an automatic transfer on payday before you even see the money. What you don't see, you don't miss. This is the single most powerful savings habit you can build. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is consistency. $100 every month. No excuses, no skipping, just consistency. Real life scenarios. Let me paint you two pictures. Person A, Alex. Alex is 25 years old. Start saving $100 month today in an index fund. Never increases the amount. By age 35, Alex has roughly $20,000. By age 55, that same $100 month has grown to over $226,000 without ever increasing contributions. Person B, Jordan. Jordan is also 25 but keeps saying, "I'll start next year." At 35, Jordan finally starts. Same $100 month, same 10% return, but Jordan lost 10 years of compounding. By age 55, Jordan has roughly $75,000. Same person, same income, same $100 month. The only difference? 10 years. That 10-year delay cost Jordan over $150,000. That's the real cost of waiting. And that number should scare you in the best possible way. So, what happens if you save $100 every month for 10 years? In the simplest case, you build $12,000 in savings. With a high-yield account, you grow it to nearly $15,000. With smart investing, you could have over $20,000, and that's just in 10 years. But the real answer is this: you build a habit that changes everything, because the person who saves $100 a month doesn't stay at $100 a month forever. They get promotions, they cut expenses. They increase their contributions, they learn about investing, they build wealth slowly, steadily, and surely. The journey of financial freedom doesn't start with a big windfall. It starts with a small, consistent decision. $100 every month, starting today. You have everything you need. The only question is, will you start? If this video helped you, I'd love for you to share it with one friend or family member who needs to hear this. You might just change their financial life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. And comment below, "I'm starting today," and let's hold each other accountable right here in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build wealth together.